Now, coming from my teaching philosophy of learning must be fun and there must be fun in learning, I adopted the physically active approach to teach our pre-service teachers how to teach actively in their own practice. And to do that, it's not death by PowerPoint. I start with my own teaching and I model it. There must be a lot of movement because I think when you move, you get energized, and that's where students actually absorb and learn and understand what you're trying to say. And what I'm doing is actually evidence-informed. I'm not just doing it because I like to, but it's also because evidence has demonstrated that students or children who learn actively tend to perform better. There's less classroom management issues. You're more engaged with their learning. And as a teacher, I find that it actually impacts me, not just the students. Now, some of the outcomes that I have is that attendance is pretty good. They're more willing to answer questions. They're more willing to debate. And then when they bring those physically active learning practices into their own placement, they have feedback to me that their own students also benefited from this sort of exposure. The mentor teachers also gave them feedback that what they've been doing is quite refreshing, and that some of the mentor teachers actually asked for permission to steal their ideas. So I am going to promote physically active learning to conduct professional development for ACU colleagues who want to understand it and learn more about active learning and how that can impact their own teaching, and how these ideas can be adapted to their own context, to their own discipline areas within each unit.